clown anyway? A clown is someone, it's a job. But some people take it as a lifestyle. I'm not one of those people. I am scared of clowns. But now on to the next topic. Spas. What's the purpose of a spa? I'm not quite sure. I've never been to one. And I don't really intend to go to one because it is so expensive. Running out of something to say. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.